Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone video to Google Photos with storage optimization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Google Photos app. If you haven't installed Google Photos yet, download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, open the Google Photos app. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email and password, then tap on Sign In. After signing in, grant the app permission to access your photos. To enable backup, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Select Photos settings from the menu that appears. Tap on Backup and Sync. Turn on the Backup and Sync toggle if it isn't already enabled. Next, select Upload Size to choose your storage options. To optimize space, choose High Quality for compression that saves storage. If you prefer original quality, select that option, but be aware it uses more storage. Now, go back to the main menu of the Google Photos app. You'll see your photo library with all images and videos. To back up specific videos, navigate to the Videos section. Select the video you want to back up. After selecting the video, tap on the cloud icon with an upward arrow. The video will begin uploading to Google Photos. You can check the upload progress in the notification bar. Once complete, the video will be safely backed up in your Google Photos library. To confirm the backup, go back to the main menu and review the Photos or Albums sections. You can now access your videos from any device by logging into Google Photos. For additional storage optimization, consider regularly deleting videos from your iPhone. This will help free up space while keeping your videos safe in Google Photos. That's it. You've successfully backed up your iPhone video to Google Photos with storage optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.